Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rexing V1. Roaring ahead in our race to uncover the best dash cam is the Rexing V1. This awesome 170-degree angle camera manages to capture as much of the road as possible in glorious 1080p HD footage. It's so clear that you'll be able to see each bead of sweat cascading down the faces of those who know they've messed up. That's not all, though. The built-in G-sensor protects you further by detecting accidents and securing them, while the looping video activates without you having to lift a finger. Furthermore, the discreet design of this car gadget doesn't draw attention to it and allows it to perfectly blend into your car, and while not included, it can house up to 128 GB of microSD storage, giving you hours upon hours of recording capability without needing to clear the memory. It comes at a reasonable price, but after just one accident will pay for itself, meaning when it comes to functionality, design, and results, it's in its own lane altogether. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam. Sometimes, you know you're so good that you don't need to try too hard against the competition, and that's why we've selected the Garmin Dash Cam as our premium choice. This top-rated dashcam provides 180 degrees of footage while also delivering clear 1080p video that is as clear in snowy winter roads as it is hurtling down the highway with a cloudless sky above. This is all well and good, but for a premium pick, we'd expect more. Luckily, the Garmin has plenty more to offer. Also included is both forward collision and lane change warnings, so you'll be saved from careless drivers way before you get close to them. It's also incredibly small, so you can record in peace, while the travel lapse feature transforms dull journeys into something much more exciting. For extra safety, the voice control prevents you fiddling with buttons when you should be focusing on the road. Overall, easy to install with excellent quality and a host of features that are not just useful but fun, too. Our handy guide to the best travel cameras features more great products like this. Number 3. Rove R2-4K. The Rove R2-4K dash cam is one of the best reviewed products in this category. It doesn't matter what we tell you, we can't be as convincing as thousands of happy customers who have lived with this product day to day. So, if you're looking for a quick decision, go ahead and click the buy button. If you want more details, keep reading. Arguably, the most important detail is the image resolution. This camera shoots in 4K up to 2160p, so you get an ultra-clear, brightly colored, and vivid image. It also has super night vision technology, allowing you to capture clear video and pictures in low-light conditions. Videos and pictures are automatically uploaded to a memory card, not included, and you can access them using the Rove app. The app lets you view, share, and download your clips for personal or legal use. Another reason to buy the Rove R2-4K dash cam is the built-in G-sensor, which detects collision and automatically saves the video clip as important evidence. Number 4. Viofo A329S. Look through the comments below and you'll see Viofo was one of the most requested brands we didn't feature in our initial testing. As such, we made sure to add the Viofo A329 unit to our testing pool this time around, and lo and behold, it's now our favorite. Image quality was, quite frankly, incredible. The 4K sensor captured extremely well-resolved footage at 60 frames per second. This extra frame rate compared to some of the competition meant moving subjects were captured in even more detail, as the faster shutter speeds required, 1/60th of a second shutter compared to 1/30th for 30 frames per second footage, meant moving objects were sharper than nearly every other camera we tested. One of the more unique features of the Viofo is its ability to record not only to micro SD cards, up to 512 GB, but also to solid-state drives, SSDs, over USB-C. What this means is that you can plug an SSD into the side of the A329 via USB-C and capture weeks and weeks of footage while the SSD stays tucked away inside a glove compartment or center console. Another nice tech feature is the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, which offers transfer speeds up to 30 megabytes per second. With this, you can pull files from the camera to your smartphone or tablet much faster compared to much of the competition. Number 5. Vantrue E1 Pro. The Vantrue E1 Pro shows that good things can come in small, packages. This compact camera cube records true 4K/30 via Sony's Starvis 2 image sensor, and while its footage skews saturated, dynamic range stays intact across various lighting conditions, so plates and signage don't disappear when the sun is shining bright. A magnetic adhesive mount makes installation a one-hand job, the bundled CPL filter knocks down dashboard glare, and the 1.54-inch screen plus tactile buttons are handy when you don't want to futz with your phone. When you do, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi app is quick for settings tweaks or yanking a clip, and built-in GPS write speed and location to your files. You also get buffered parking capture and support for monster 1TB cards. Value and size are the hooks here. It's compact, easy to live with, and delivers consistently sharp 4K without overcooking the shadows.